We're live.
Hello!
Hello, welcome to SonofaPizzaMan. I'm Enzo.
And I'm Davey.
And today we are doing a live episode. So we're doing a Halloween themed episode. So we're doing a few cute Halloween pizza treats. That's what I'm calling it.
Pizza treats.
So
Pizza
this is live.
Treats.
If you happen to hop on or say hi, we'll try to respond.
Yeah.
But anyway, let's get this going. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do a cute ghost pizza. So this is very simple. It's just a standard pizza crust and then red sauce, and then you make little ghost shapes with the cheese.
Okay, cool.
So I'm gonna so also I used Lydia's recipe again. It's the same dough I used for the last pizza, and this guy is super bubbly, which is awesome. So the only difference between this guy and the last one is I used half and half. So I used half bread flour, half all-purpose flour.
Not half and half.
Not
the creamer.
half and half creamer. Okay. But anyway, I don't know. It seems to be very alive.
Very spongy.
Yeah. So hopefully it tastes good. So okay. So you're going to.
I'm gonna hop behind the camera.
Grab the camera.
Yep.
And do some sexy close-ups.
Baby, oh baby.
While we do this live.
Live.
I don't want you. There might be children watching. No inappropriate.
All right.
Language or innuendos.
What?
All right, maybe some innuendos.
I mean, that's my favorite place to go. Innuendo. All right, let me get behind the camera. Hold on. Okay.
I'm also a little sick, so I'm coughing. But all right, so I'm gonna get a cutter actually.
Oh. It's free from its shackles.
Here.
Cool.
So I'm going to cut this sucker in half because it's a full recipe.
Oh boy.
So it's 2 pizzas.
Really getting some action here.
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay, here we go.
All right. Just a little. Come on. All right. So when I take dough out of the when I take pizza dough out of the fridge, I like to. You know what I forgot to do?
What?
I forgot to change it to cellular, not Wi-Fi.
Uh-oh.
It might cut out. But
It'll be okay, I think. Well.
All right. Well, listen there. Anyway, when I take dough out of the fridge, and it's been sitting there for like an hour or a day or so, I like to roll it into a ball first to kind of get that shape, because it really determines the shape of your pizza. That's how you start the dough. So there we go. All right.
Look at this lonely.
Clean work surfaces.
Okay.
And then you're just gonna punch the dough down. Just get it all stretched out. I might need the rolling pin for this guy.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, uh-oh.
I've only got 2 hands.
Yeah, so typically I need to get some 00 flour because that makes it really soft.
Okay.
So this has been sitting out for about an hour and a half, and it's still a little firm. You don't want your pizza dough too firm because then it's hard to kind of stretch out. So I'm gonna, this might require
a rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
Okay.
So Let me just do that. Save myself some headaches. Grab a rolling pin. Go to town.
Oh, baby. Roll it out.
So I love Halloween. I don't know how you feel about Halloween, but it's definitely my of the year. Because for many reasons. One of the reasons is the season. Fall is amazing because it's cool. It's after a long hot summer, which I hate.
Hey, Hobo Nickel Pizza Testing Laboratory wants to know what kind of pizza we're making.
Hey Hobo, we are making it's just a regular pizza, but we're making a ghost pizza. So it's gonna have a cute little ghost cheese design on it. So that's one of 3 things that we're doing today. But the dough it's just standard dough.
Are you making a small pizza?
Yeah, it's still kind of thick. Get it stretched out. Yeah.
Yeah, it should be pretty cool.
Is there anyone else?
Uh,
No.
Hobo is commenting and said that sounds pretty cool, and they said hello. Tanisha says a little ghosty goo, so to speak.
It's Anisha.
Yeah, I mean, there's gonna be a design on there that looks like a ghost as opposed to looking as though a ghost had its way with the pizza.
Right.
Yeah,
I mean, I guess that would be a white pizza.
that would probably be a white pizza. Heyo!
Yeah.
Look at that. Innuendos flying.
Yep. So yeah, once the dough kind of like it takes like a minute or two when you're using a rolling pin with pizza dough for it to kind of be like, okay, I get it. You want me to relax, so. But then once that happens, it kind of.
Hobo says there's 4 cooking live streams going on right now as we
Nice.
speak. Dinner time!
Well, I appreciate you checking out my live stream. It's awesome. There's a couple I know of.
Tanisha wants to know if you watched the Babish earlier.
I did. I sure did. His live streams are really long.
Oh,
Huh.
Tanisha says that's how she found you.
Oh.
That's how they found you, sorry.
Nice. I was up. So I was
Hi, Yo-Yo Max!
watching the Yo. Hey Tammy, how's it going? I was watching Babish. I don't think I could watch 2.5 hours of Babish. Honestly, it's just a long time to kind of sit there and.
He's real cute, and he's got a great relaxing voice, and he's really, really well researched and fun on camera, so I think 2.5 hours, even though it's long, it wouldn't be that big of a chore,
I
but
mean, I don't know.
but yeah, that's a really long time to,
My ADD, I think, would kick in.
yeah.
So, alright. I think this is probably good enough.
Okay.
It's gonna be on the thicker side, but.
I don't mind a
Should
thick,
be fine.
I don't mind a thick crust.
Alright, let me get the pizza peel real quick.
Okay.
Alright, so the pizza peel. I have some semolina flour. So you can also use, what do you call it? Wow.
Yeah, Tammy, we're hopefully going to be making a couple of spoopy pizzas. We're doing 3 different designs. So right now we're making a spoopy ghost themed pizza, and then we've got 2 other little pizza themed treats, pizza and Halloween themed treats that we're going to make today. So
Alright, so semolina. You can also use corn flour or cornmeal, but cornmeal actually has a flavor, so if you don't like cornmeal flavor, you probably don't use that.
I do like a cornmeal flavor.
Yeah. I like semolina because it's neutral, but also once you put the dough
On the peel.
on the peel, you kind of want to work relatively quickly because you don't want it to stick to the peel because that defeats the whole purpose.
Okay.
And I found this. I've been using this pizza sauce a lot.
Yeah, you seem to really like it.
recently, and I think part of it is convenience.
Mm-hmm. You like that it comes in a cool little
Like that it
milk
comes in
carton?
a little milk carton. I think that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
And I don't know, it's got a good taste.
Yeah.
I really should probably make my own soon, but
That's like one of your mom's favorite phrases.
what?
It's got a good taste.
It's got a good taste.
It's got a good taste. I like the taste.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. So
All right.
we have the sauce down,
Okay.
and basically we're going to do what?
I'm ready for this.
All right. So we're gonna make a fun.
And one says semolina flour is the only best way to make Italian breads and pastas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna do like a. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but it's gonna be like one of those like, I don't know, how would you describe these types of ghosts? It's like
I'm really.
cartoony.
You're gonna do like a ghost that's like almost like a Pac-Man ghost,
No. It's gonna be like a spoopy.
like a ghost that's like in motion,
Kind
a
of.
ghost in mid boo.
Like this looks like a ghost, right?
It's starting to look like a ghost.
I think I might need some black olives.
Yeah, I think that the best of ghosts probably need a little bit of definition around the face.
And then we'll do a little baby ghost.
I am so confused by these ghosts. What about the side areas? You're gonna fill those with ghosts too?
Another little one.
Yeah, maybe like
This
two.
was not planned out very well, obviously. I was just gonna do one big one,
Yeah.
but yeah,
All right. So we got these three little ghosts.
blobs of cheese.
Okay.
And then we'll put little eyes on them.
Okay. I'm seeing these ghosts now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they have big eyes.
You sure you don't want to put some
Maybe it's a ghost dog.
Huh? Okay.
Maybe
It's a
ghost
ghost,
dog.
and then what's the thing on the top? Ghost cat?
Ghost cyclops.
Oh, okay.
The cheese is gonna melt too, so
Yeah, it's gonna spread out a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Anyway,
so-
you get the general idea.
So basically, you
this-
can kind of freeform it.
Yeah, this is probably not the best example of a ghost pizza. but
Yeah.
it's a cute idea. You can also probably do this with like slices of American cheese.
Where you cut them to
Like
shape.
Cheese just cut into shapes.
Uh
But general idea. So let's get this into the oven.
Okay, cool.
Uh, Set the timer. Alright. So the next one we're gonna make is we're gonna go old school with English muffins.
Oh.
And Mr. Davey here is going to take care of that.
Oh boy, I can't wait. I love this this funky tabletop.
Remnants.
Mhm.
Right. So let's get your English muffins
Okay.
and your, I guess your sauce or cheese. You want the American cheese, right?
Yeah, give me the American cheese
Okay.
and like a knife.
This
Live.
is what happens when you're not seeing things. When you're just watching a produced video, there's a lot of this going on, moving around and whatnot.
What am I gonna do with these green olives?
You can use those too.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna get weird. So
All right, let me these guys.
are you just you're sort of like
Pausing for you.
low wattage mise en place?
Yeah. Let me just wash my hands real quick,
Oh boy.
and then I'll come get you.
Yes, that's true. The green olives are good for martinis. I don't think we're gonna make a martini today, but I think that I might try to use the green olives for maybe like mummy teeth, like rotted, funky mummy teeth.
All right,
Okay.
I have the camera.
All right.
I am ready. We're ready to go.
All right.
Oh yeah, that's a great idea. Tammy said she made a pizza using the olives to make spiders.
Oh, that's a really good idea.
Spiders are really cute on pizzas.
Okay.
All right.
So, got some cheese.
Cheese, pineapple. Yeah, we don't have pineapple today. I don't know. What would you? What would you?
It's horrifying, but is it spooky? I don't know.
What would you make pineapple into?
Like in terms of
Like Halloween?
what would I do?
I mean, I'm just asking in general.
Oh, okay. I don't know. So I'm just gonna cut these in half.
So this is like a very like crafty, like I don't know, like English muffin pizzas is something that people do all the time. I've actually never had an English muffin pizza.
What?
Which, yeah,
Your mom never made you English muffin pizzas?
no.
Oh, well. Mom. Serena, what are you doing? What have you been up to? I think I saw you a spoon.
Yeah, I think pineapple. So the pineapple on pizza thing is so funny. That whole debate is really, really.
I think it's
Polarizing.
Really silly. I think it's really silly because it's like, who cares?
Right.
I just think like I'm not really. I mean, I've had a ham and pineapple pizza and it was fine. I think my issue with pineapple is not the sweetness or any of the other stuff. My issue with pineapple is that it's very wet,
Right.
and so when it's on the pizza and it gets cooked, it gets like really weird. So that's the only thing I ever have an issue with.
Maybe like dried pineapples.
Okay.
I saw a pineapple and jalapeno comment. I'm sorry I missed it.
Okay.
Um,
Pineapple and jalapeno.
yeah.
That kind of sounds good. Again, not terribly spooky, but not terribly Halloweeny, but totally fun and like a cute thing to put on a pizza.
Yeah.
Be fun to I don't know what a pineapple would be. Like you could use pineapple rings for like some sort of terrifying eyeball.
What about like dried pineapple?
pineapple would be
That
more like
That might be better than
I think dried
Wet
pineapple on it would be way more fun for sure.
yeah.
So
Texture. Yeah, for sure. It's a texture issue.
I'm going to definitely like the fibrous.
So are you gonna do some mummies?
I'm gonna do some mummies first. I think I'm just gonna maybe just stick with I'm gonna just do some mummies.
You can use this guy too. That might be easier.
Okay.
Okay. Do whatever you want.
I am going to.
Get
It's
weird.
one of my favorite things to do.
Doing what you want.
Do what I want.
So we're basically cutting the slices of cheese into little strips. Candy corn. Did you see our candy corn pizza,
Oh man, you should check it out.
Tanisha? You should check. Yeah, you should definitely check it out.
All right, so I'm going to basically just like arrange these little slices of cheese.
That's a good idea. Cheese and peppers.
Yeah,
Oh, how cute that is.
little cheesy, little.
Don't forget to leave room for the eyes.
I know.
I'm just saying.
Come on now.
Hey,
This is my first time at the mummy rodeo. Okay, I know what's up.
are you gonna do all mummies?
I might just do a few mummies. Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like I gotta kind of like move these around a little bit so I can get some. I think sometimes when people do stuff like this, they might get like a little like weirded out that they need to make things like perfect, especially if they're like copying a recipe for something. And that is not the case. I think you should just kind of do whatever you want.
Oh, Tammy says she did a mummy pizza or mummy calzone thing on her channel.
What?
I don't remember seeing that. I'll have to look for that.
Tammy, we watch your channel while we eat dinner.
We do.
Very, very frequently.
Yes.
We feel so graced by your presence right now. All right, so I'm gonna do a little on this.
Okay. What are you doing here?
I'm gonna try to like make teeth.
Oh, teeth.
So I'm gonna make these little teeth.
Little fangs.
And these little like weird little guys?
Are you doing a whole like a whole road?
I think so. Alright, so we got a bunch of little. Basically just an olive and cheese pizza at this point, but.
Right.
Alright, I'm gonna lay that on top. There you go.
Scent one says you can use pineapples for yellow teeth.
Yep, there you go. That's it.
That's
Would you like
a
those
great idea. Or for like eyes, like pupils. That'd be really cute.
I'm into it. Okay, so
It's true, they do have bad dental hygiene.
and then I'm gonna take these pits and I'm gonna put them back into these.
Look at that. You're like Frankensteining the olives.
Yep. Okay, so that's one. And I'm gonna try to bust out a few of these really quickly. Make some more.
All right. So if you're watching, do you have any fun Halloween recipes that you make every year or that you like to eat? Something you look forward to? How do you feel about candy corn? Do you love it or do you hate it?
Speaking of polarizing things.
All right. Can you guys see us? Someone say yes or thumbs up or something. We lost connection there for a second.
We're in the back of our apartment, so
Yeah. Are you there? Are we still live? Anyone? Just waiting for someone to respond.
okay.
Oh, cool. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yay. Yeah, I meant to switch over to my cellular and turn off Wi-Fi so that this wouldn't happen, but they love me. Oh, this one gets a nose, huh?
I guess so. And maybe since we're feeling frisky, it's gonna get weird black teeth sort of thing. Shove these little dudes in here. Okay.
Okay. So what other Halloween candy are you guys into? Like specifically, I don't know, what else is specific to Halloween besides like candy corn?
And mellow cream
And
pumpkins.
the mellow creams?
Basically, they're just like anything Halloween shaped.
Yeah, like the Reese's pumpkins are really good. The ghosts.
The Butterfinger pumpkins are really good.
All right, I'm gonna go check on the pizza real quick.
Okay.
Check on the pizza real quick.
Okay. Don't tell, but I eat a little bit of this.
Oh, we lost our ghost.
We did?
Yeah.
What happened?
He turned around.
Oh no. Well, that's a bummer.
All right, so our ghost. So our ghost. Hold on.
Hold on a second, let me just finish this and then we can show the ghost.
Okay. Well, I can show while you're finishing that.
Alright.
So the ghost went on vacation in Aruba, and he got a little tan. But so I'm not sure how the cheese would stay white unless it's like a super. I wonder if American cheese would work, or if the cheese goes on like midway. Yeah. Anyway, so that was kind of a bummer, but I'm sure it's gonna taste great. Pumpkin spice, yes, pumpkin spice is definitely I feel like that happens around Halloween, and people, that's another polarizing kind of flavor, pumpkin spice everything.
Yeah.
And I think it's gotten out of hand
Yeah.
for sure. But I don't know. I enjoy a pumpkin spice latte. I will admit that. And there are certain things that are pumpkin spice that I also enjoy.
Yeah.
So
What's your go-to pumpkin spice, baby?
I mean, probably coffee.
Pumpkin spice coffee.
Yeah.
Yes.
You picked up some pumpkin spice corn flakes?
Yeah. No.
Or frosted flakes?
Frosted flakes. Yeah. They were pretty good. They were sweet, as you'd expect.
Oh, pumpkin pie. Yeah, pumpkin pie is awesome.
Yeah.
I love pumpkin pie.
I mean, I guess like a lot of the stuff is like fall flavors, but like I think Halloween stuff is just like, I don't know.
Pumpkin spice oatmeal. How do you feel about that?
It's good. I think like flavored oatmeal is like.
I think like spicy things are good, like that warm cinnamon nutmeg spice is good.
Mm.
Yeah, I don't spicy. I'm not a huge fan of spicy foods because my stomach and other things don't agree with it. So,
All right.
alright, so you're
all
feeling good, feeling all mummied up.
feeling all mummied up.
All right.
All right.
So, do you want to put those on the sheet pan and then
Sure.
maybe stick them in the oven for, I don't know, maybe like 5 minutes, if that. All right, so I'm gonna clean up real quick,
Okay.
and then we're gonna move on to the last thing, which is brains. All right, so we're gonna talk about brains. So we have this bowl of sketty here, and all right, I need a couple more things. Hold on 1 second. We're gonna burn real quickly. All right, so I have, so we're gonna do a brain mold with this guy. So I picked this guy up. I actually ordered it on Amazon, but it's just a silicone brain mold. And then have some cooked spaghetti here. Good. And then, also got some sauce, some more Jordan sauce, because it's Halloween. All right, so what we're gonna do? I cooked this last night. I think I'm going to make the brains.
Someone says make a lime jello and use that for the mold.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, I literally just got this for the
For this recipe.
for this recipe, so definitely be using it again.
Hey, Sauce Dash.
Sauce Dash!
Happy Halloween, man. He says, boom, happy Halloween, guys.
Boom. So we're making some brains right now. We're making a brain pizza. And hopefully it turns out. I'm gonna also throw in some pumpkin.
This is so wild. I'm like,
What?
I'm just,
The pumpkin?
I'm so nervous.
About the pumpkin?
Yes.
It'll be fine.
Okay.
Pumpkin is actually, it goes sweet or savory.
Yeah, I know that's true.
So I think as long as you mix it in with,
Have we had pumpkin soup?
probably. I like pumpkin soup.
Can we have an ASMR moment?
That's pretty good.
Pretty good. I hope everyone got the tingles. Tammy says that pumpkin is a very neutral flavor. I agree.
Yes.
Totally just like very down the middle.
Middle of the road.
Tammy says I make a pumpkin ravioli with brown butter sage sauce, and it was yummy.
Oh wow.
That sounds so good.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
All right. So, so what I think I'm gonna do first. So I just mixed up some sauce, pumpkin, and then I'm going to take these crescent rolls. These come in sheets, and we're just gonna lay the sheet on the bottom, fill it with pasta, and then lay a sheet on top. So it's technically, I don't know if it's pizza necessarily, but it's got pizza flavors.
You're gonna put some Ronies in there.
Yeah.
Oh, someone says maybe I should try to make pumpkin gnocchi.
Yes. Gnocchi is by far my favorite pasta.
You like that pasta because it is probably the most carb dense of all the pastas.
It's like super chewy, and it's awesome.
Oh, Saustache's pumpkin pizza was one of my first videos 2 years ago.
Oh, okay.
Hey, we didn't know that. That's
There you go.
cool.
I'll have to look for that.
Look at you, you trendsetter, you.
Yeah, he's such a trendsetter. So I think I'm gonna cut this in half. What?
Just like any blade will do.
Yeah. Then this may not even turn out, but we'll see.
You can also just like cut some pieces so that it like you can
Did you
fit.
set a timer for the muffins?
I sure did.
Okay.
Did you could also like, well, I don't know. It seems to be okay.
I'm gonna spray this actually.
You are? All right.
Oh, 1 second.
Look at this. What is this?
I'm gonna spray this because even though it's silicone, can never be too sure.
You just like cooking spray. That's all that is.
True. All right, so let's try this.
Baby, make sure you get plenty of bread in that medulla.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try to get the. Although I feel like when it cooks, it'll expand into the grooves. Probably, maybe. You think?
Oh, look.
What?
Tammy and Saustache just met.
Aw.
Just online. They're
Yeah, you guys should watch each other's channels. It's like we're like matchmakers.
oh my god, you guys.
All right, so then I'm going to. Watch me. You're gonna struggle opening this bag of pepperoni.
Come on now, you can do it. I believe in you.
Hold on, give me a second. All right, we got it.
All right, here we go.
We got it. So I think I'm going to line. I'm gonna line the bottom of this with some stinky pepperoni.
Is this turkey pepperoni?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
This is the regular pepperoni.
Can I have one? Okay, here, give me one. Thanks. Why is it stinky?
I don't know. Does it taste weird?
No,
Okay.
tastes like pepperoni.
Oh, your muffins are done.
Uh-oh.
Do you want to put that down?
Oh, I don't know where to put it.
Okay. Do you want me to get the muffins?
Yeah, you get the muffins.
Okay. Yeah.
Are they good to go? How do they look? They still look like mummies?
Melty.
Just like getting a. Uh-oh. Look at our melty mummies. All right,
they're a
so
little melt. Maybe not so long. Maybe Evan.
yeah,
I
it's
feel like this video is turning into a fail video. So
I think they still look appetizing.
Yeah, they look fine.
I think the issue is that yeah, they're just like melty. That's the whole thing.
This is what happens when you don't try recipes out before you.
I was also
Show
curious
them.
too. Whenever I see those recipe books, I don't feel like they look like they've like. Oh man, I don't feel like they look like they've like been cooked very well.
I meant to put cheese in the bottom too.
That's okay.
So we'll do a layer of pasta.
So this is like kind of like brain calzone.
Exactly.
What is there like is there an official Italian like dish that is pasta stuffed, like a pasta stuffed calzone sort of thing?
Pizza. There's stuff you can stuff pizza is the thing.
Uh huh.
And my dad used to make it, or at his pizza place, and you can stuff anything in the pizza.
Which pizza place?
This was in Pennsylvania.
Okay, so it's pizza
At
pizza
pizza pie.
pizza pie.
And he would make. My favorite was cheesesteak pizzas.
Oh boy,
Cheesesteak stuffed pizzas.
you were a big cheesesteak fan, huh?
I love cheesesteak.
The first time I met your dad and we all hung out together, your dad said
He's like,
he could have been he could have been a cheesesteak man, and
he said
he makes a really good
really
cheesesteak.
good cheesesteak.
He makes a mean cheesesteak,
Like, is that?
and I guess he wants to be a graphic designer instead.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've definitely seen baked spaghetti, but I don't think I've seen spaghetti that's like baked into a thing. I mean, I know I've seen it before, but I didn't know if there was like an official, actual, like thing, you know?
So with the lid on it, I'm gonna try to pinch the seams so it doesn't make a huge mess
Okay.
in the oven.
I don't think it's like super saucy. I think it should be okay.
Yeah. I think since it's a brain, I think
Yeah.
making it like doing this is fine.
Are you gonna flip it over so that it's like
Yeah.
it's like bread down?
Yeah.
Okay. That way it
So
like fills
hopefully
the mold.
We get a flat pizza.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna go stick this into the oven. I'll be right back.
Check out this cool blank wall. I don't know if it's the first ever spaghetti calzone. I know there's got to be a place somewhere in, I don't know, like Des Moines, that's just like, we're the home of the spaghetti calzone. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just trying to pick a place that sort of seems like it's you know.
You can put it right here.
I don't want anybody to see my face until I'm on screen and ready.
Alright, so
Here I am. Yeah, I don't know. Who knows? But maybe there's maybe there's a place that does it. So if you guys aren't familiar, there's a place we're in Chicago. There's a place in Chicago called Chicago Oven Pizza Grinder. Chicago Pizza Oven Grinder, CPOG, and they make some really crazy. They make these really crazy pizza pie sort of thing that's like, it's almost, they take like a bowl and fill it with like cheese and sauce.
it's a pot pie.
It's basically a pot pie, yeah, but they use pizza crust to make it, and they flip it over and they kind of dig it out on the table. So it's kind of cool, but it's definitely very like specific to their. Here, I'm gonna move this back up onto the thing.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
I'm gonna do a little clean up real quick.
All right.
And then-
Sorry, guys, that we're seeing all this. Like our transitioning on this is very bajankety, but that's where we're at here. So okay.
Alright, so I set the timer for like around 10 minutes.
Okay. Do you want to try these things while we're waiting for the
Sure.
other things? Okay. I'll get this.
Okay.
Here, take this.
Okay. Okay.
Hi. Here I am at a healthy distance from you.
Where is the pizza cutter?
The.
Oh, sorry.
Yep, you got it.
I got it. Okay, so we have the two pizzas, the two things that we made.
2 of 3 that we made. There you go.
There. So we have the sad ghost pizza that we made.
Oh yeah.
Of what?
You've seen some video. Oh, of C-Pod.
Oh yeah, Seapod. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you been to Chicago? You should totally come if you have not.
Yeah, man, we should eat pizza.
That would be awesome.
Oh wow, you just went right in the middle of that ghost.
I just killed the ghost.
Wow. Okay. Very, very Ghostbusters of you.
Yeah.
I mean, we're gonna eat this, and it's gonna. Do you think it's gonna taste spooky?
I mean, I hope I get possessed by the spirit of pizza.
I like to get possessed by the spirit of that Mega Millions.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Okay, here, let's taste it. Very spooky.
So spooky.
Flavor-wise, I would say this. I would rate this as a 2 on the spook scale.
Yeah, 2. Right? What was that jackpot up to? Like over $1 billion, right?
I think it was fun. I think it was something really crazy, but oh, hi.
Oh, an explosion animation.
So yeah, doesn't taste like a ghost. Not haunted at all.
Unfortunately.
Even just like making something into a ghost, I thought maybe it would like catch a spirit, but no.
Alright, you want to try the mummies?
This is Lydia's. This is Lydia's.
This is Lydia's dough recipe.
Yeah.
I am a big fan of Lydia's.
This is a really good dough recipe, and even though it is a little thick, it's still super tasty and not like too chewy.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's try these mummies. These I don't know. They turned into
They turn into sort of like skeletons.
yeah, like so maybe that's for next year.
Um,
I know. So
I hate olives.
hates olives. But
So
you're gonna suck it up.
I don't know. I mean, what would they taste like? It depends. If
Probably very light.
I was actually gonna say that a ghost would sort of taste like. I don't know, like what is sadness and like unresolved, like stuff taste like?
Dusty.
Yeah, maybe. They're talking to each other now.
Okay.
Okay, which one are you gonna go
I
for?
want to go for the
Green teeth.
green tea.
All right, I'm gonna go for this one that sort of looks like a Wookiee almost. Kind of looks like this, like.
Here, let's do a thumbnail photo.
Okay.
All right. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready. I'm just gonna taste.
Okay. Well, guess what? Olives are just as gross as they've ever been. These olives taste like metal.
Spaghetti. You're right.
That's a good one. I love a good dad joke.
Why did the skeleton go stag to the prom? Because he had no body to go with.
Wait, you used that in the last video.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Okay, wait.
You were such a dad.
What about?
This friend of mine has been doing this thing where he has been sending Snapchat videos. Oh yeah, they do. They do.
They don't taste like dish soap. I think cilantro tastes like dish soap.
No, that's because you're some sort of weird super taster.
I'm not a super taster.
Yeah, I think you're like an extra bitter taster because I don't think it just cilantro takes like a taco from being like a taco to being like, oh my god, a taco. God.
But yeah, olives. I love olives because they're so briny and so like.
These olives taste like if someone like licked the inside of a tin can. It's so metallic.
You're metallic.
Hey, you know what? You're metallic. Listen, I've had a couple of olives that didn't mess me up, like that I was into. Like I think like they're called like Spanish Queen. I think those are really really good. But I think the thing that's funny about olives is like they are inedible unless you brine them. Like they don't want to be eaten. Like it's like an apple. You pull an apple to go. You have to unwrap it. You just eat it.
See,
Olives, on the other hand, olives are like, I don't know. And you're like, here, soak in this thing. And they're like, I guess I'll soften up for you.
I also love capers. I think capers are awesome.
Okay,
They're
capers.
delicious. See, it's funny. You're like okay with capers.
I don't mind a
But
brine.
it's
I
the
think
same
that
thing.
olives are very bitter and not that fun. All right, let me think of another ghost spook joke.
Oh, really? See, you're super tasty.
Oh,
too.
okay. Well, fine. To me, I don't know. I guess not. I think
We've got
olives are.
6 minutes left.
I think olives are those things that like people. I don't know. Cilantro is definitely one of those things that people like are. That's very polarizing too.
It's not that bad.
I mean, I don't know if I drink dish soap.
Is that your least favorite food?
I mean, I don't. For me, I know, but for me, olives are not my least favorite food. I think probably shrimp might be my least favorite food. I know, but shrimp is just an ocean roach. They're not. I don't think they're very good. I'm not very picky about. I'm not. Listen, everyone knows. You know. Oh my God.
What? Yeah.
What kind of dessert does a ghost like?
Ice cream.
Yes, Tammy. Yes.
Mushrooms. Yes, mushrooms are definitely not. They're very low on my list.
But I would eat a mushroom. I think mushrooms are great. I was funky about mushrooms for a long time.
Yeah, I was the same thing. I hated mushrooms for a long time, and then we went vegetarian for a little bit, and then we kind of had to have mushrooms.
We put mushrooms in a lot of stuff.
But now it's like if I don't have to have a mushroom, I won't have one.
Yeah,
But it's not my first choice. But I won't like get grossed out and
I think they're good.
make this stink face.
I think they're good, and I think that the biggest issue with mushrooms is that mushrooms have such a wide variety of flavors, and they can be so distinct from like variety to variety, and also how they're prepared too. So, yes, it's very possible that a ghost probably tastes a lot like ectoplasm. So boogers, I don't know.
Probably.
Boogers that taste like sadness. Sad
boogers.
Sad boogers.
So yeah. Okay, let me get the pan ready for the
What happens when a ghost?
pescatarian. Yes.
Oh, what happens when a ghost walks into a fog?
What?
He's missed. Ah! Nah, it's terrible too.
What else you got?
By explosion. Let's see. Man. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna have to look them up. Like I was saying earlier, a friend of mine has been doing this thing where he's been sending a Snapchat every single day for the month of October with another bad joke. And so many of them relate to bones. It's all bone puns and like body puns for skeletons and stuff like that, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you have other dad jokes.
Yeah, I have a couple. Wait, why didn't the skeleton cross the road? He didn't have any guts. See what I'm saying? Yeah, see? That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
I think, Tammy, you should do a video where you just tell Halloween jokes.
Oh my God, Tammy.
Just go to town.
It would make me so happy just to see you tell a bunch of bad jokes. Man,
2 minutes.
a diet-free joke of the week.
2 minutes.
Yeah. I mean. Oh yeah. Here's one of my favorite jokes.
Yeah.
Where these are all jokes that are like 100 years old because
It's fine.
who makes jokes about the Lone Ranger?
No one.
No one. Why? Because that show, except for the terrible Johnny Depp reboot movie that they made.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your joke?
Where's the Lone Ranger take his trash?
Where?
To the dump. To the dump. To the dump.
Oh yeah. Okay.
We'll definitely post pictures of the brain pizza, but thanks for hanging out. Let's see. Where's the brain pizza? Come on now.
No, don't. Little fun fact: don't touch hot silicone. in the
See,
oven.
yes, that is definitely like a baby joke for sure. What about holy moly? I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna break my rule. I know I'm really vamping here because okay.
Oh, it's almost there.
Oh yeah, what's the most important subject a witch learns in school? Spelling. That's a good one.
All right. What's a brain pizza?
Oh my God, look at this thing.
All right. So. Lima beans.
Lima beans,
I don't
good call.
actually don't mind lima beans that much. I used to really hate Brussels sprouts, but I've also learned to love those.
All right,
So this did not. This is okay. You can kind of see
this part over here.
Yeah, this part's not.
This
not
part's
bad.
definitely like got.
But-
You know what? And it doesn't look at that. It doesn't look it from here, but in the camera, you can definitely see those wrinkles in here.
So I can imagine like.
I don't know if I saw that somewhere, if I would know that was a brain.
Right. So okay, let's do a thumbnail.
Okay. Brain pizza. Okay. Did it?
Turn up. Yeah, it's fine.
I mean,
don't know.
okay. It definitely. Okay. Now I'm looking at it from the. Quit moving it.
Hey,
Put the thing
hey,
down.
hey.
Okay. Now that I'm looking at it from the top, you can see the medulla and all that stuff on it,
Yeah.
and it's looking pretty brainy.
All right, so let's cut into it.
All right. Do you want to get
let's
a
do-
good shot
Let's
of
do a
it?
close up.
Of it getting.
Just cut up brain pizza.
Whoa! Look, you can see our apartment from there.
Oh, man.
Oops. Okay, here we go.
All right, so go right down the middle.
Oh yeah, get in there.
So yeah, it's just I could have probably packed it with more cheese.
I think you probably could have put more sauce in it.
More sauce,
Because
yeah.
that would have been, this was going to bleed, but I kind of
Yeah.
suspected that it might not.
No blood.
Yeah.
But anyway, so
We're going to try this thing?
yeah.
All right.
Okay. You want to
Yep.
put us back?
All right, here we go. Man, I told these, we're now down to 2 people watching it. I really screwed up telling those bad jokes. Yeah, I definitely think that's a good idea.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put
You're
some sauce.
gonna get some
I'm gonna
sauce?
grab some sauce.
All right. So we're gonna get some sauce. So yeah, the whole point of doing all these things was to kind of just try them out and
Which side?
doesn't matter. Not too much though.
No, I like it saucy.
Okay. So here we have the bloody brain with sauce on it.
Okay, I'm coming.
Coming. Alright,
Okay.
so you gonna try?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna try my dry brain.
I'm gonna try this very wet one. This is gonna be. I want to take a nap after this.
Yeah.
Too bad it's already 8:30. So it smells something.
It's good. I mean, it's spaghetti and crescent rolls. And I don't know how you go wrong with cheese, pepperoni,
Okay.
crescent rolls.
So of the things that we've eaten,
How's the sauce?
I think the sauce is very important.
Okay.
I think we're doing recipes live. I agree.
Yeah. Are you still guys still there?
Can you see us?
Whoever your one person is that you, Tammy? Are you watching us?
Thanks for hanging out, Tammy.
Okay,
So we did. We did a ghost
we
pizza.
did the ghost pizza,
We did.
which we did the English muffin, the mummy pizzas,
Mm-hmm.
and then we did the brain pizza.
Uh-huh.
So out of the three, I think I like the brain pizza.
Yep.
Oh no. So I like the brain pizza probably best
Yeah, I'm gonna eat this brain pizza.
because I love pasta and bread, and who doesn't like that? Yeah, there are definitely things I would do differently if I did these again.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, cooking is a learning experience. I think if you cook
I'm
and
just
you
gonna
don't
straight up eat
and you
these.
don't, okay. So I think I was just saying, cooking is a learning experience, and I think if you're not constantly learning or like picking up little things here and there, then you're not doing it right.
Yeah.
So there's no way
But-
you're like making something perfect every time.
Yeah.
So I think that's kind of the fun of it. It's an experimentation kind of thing.
Yeah, but I don't know if I taste pumpkin in this.
Right.
Not really.
Right.
There is something sort of like, I don't know, there's something about the texture, but otherwise, not very pumpkin-y. But anyway,
Anyway,
thank you guys
thank
for
you
watching.
guys for watching so much. I know an hour is a ton of time to watch someone fumble through
3 weird recipes.
pizzas. If you're not already and you'd like to subscribe, please do so. And have a wonderful and safe Halloween.
Have a spooky,
Have a
pooky-
super spoopy Halloween.
have a super spoopy Halloween.
And,
Eat some brains.
Yeah. So, until next time. Aw, thanks, Tammy.
Thanks, Tammy.
Big hugs to you. Until next time, ciao for now.
Smell you later.
All right, now we're gonna awkwardly try to fumble through this turning off the live thing.
Boop.